This is the entire design process of creating simple mystical key holder using Adobe Illustrator, LightBurn and Sculpfun S9 laser cutting machine. Let's start by creating a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Choose the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of 170 by 280 mm. Round the corner by 35 mm. Grab the curvature pen tool and draw waves for the bottom part. If you want to download free cut files, you can find the link to the shop in the description. Go to the object, path and click on smooth to smoothen the wavy layer. Now select them together and choose the shape builder tool. Press and hold the Alt key and remove the extra area by dragging the mouse. Now select the ellipse tool and create a 1.5 mm circle. This will be the guiding hole for our iron hooks. Five holes will be suitable for this size of key holder. Let's align them vertically and click on horizontal disputation to create equal balance between them. Make a group and adjust them on the layer. Now let's go to Canva and search for some mystical shape like moons, clouds, crystal, etc. You can choose any shape you like and download them in PNG format or SVG format with a transparent background. If you download them in PNG format, let's open them in Adobe Illustrator. Click on the image, go to image trace and click on trace. Now click on expand. Ungroup them and our image has been converted into a vector. Do this to all the images you want to use for the cover design. I am bringing in all the images at once that I have chosen for this design. I have already created a sketch for this design, so I am going to put these vectors accordingly. I am going to place all the elements on the base layer and copy some of them, which will be our second layer. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. This would really help publishing content like this more often. Let's copy all of them together. Now click on Shape Builder tool and merge them together. Select the holes and base layer and make a copy. Now click on the Pathfinder tool to cut out the area. Make a copy of these layers, merge these layers together and select them with holes and click on Pathfinder tool to cut out holes. Now we are going to select each hand with holes separately to create a hole in that particular place using the same Pathfinder tool. Our layers are now ready, so let's open them in LightBurn software and cut them out. I went a little overboard and created a bunch of mystical designs. If you want to own these files, you can check the link in the description. There are also free LaserCAD files available to download from my shop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.